love. May this gift remind you that time may pass, but our love remains timeless. Growing stronger with each moment, we sure love you. Thank you. I love you.
Right here's where it's at. I'ma show you how I do this. I got the moves, baby. Not gonna trip up, lace up my shoes, baby. Can you keep up? I got the moves, baby. Swaggy my step, so in my shoes, baby. From toe to head, I look sick. I got the moves. Smooth and slick.
Hey, love. Sa wakas, ito na ang itinakdang oras. Wow! Pagkaingatan mo sana ang aking simpleng regalo para sa simpleng babaeng tulad mo. Yeah! Yeah! Sabihin. Love you.
I got the moves, baby. Swag in my step, so in my shoes, baby. From toe to head, I look sick. I got the moves, smooth and slick. Yeah, yeah. I got the moves. I got the moves.
Labi ko, labis ang aking pasasalamat sa buong may kapal sa pagtupad ng aking matagal na dasal. Ito ang araw kung saan mapapatunayan ko bilang sa Diyos, pati rin sa mga taong nandirito at ipagsisigawan kong gaano kita kamahal, Cristel Ann.
Na tayo sa huli, aaminin ko pa, o baka bigla lang mawala kung ano mang pumapagitan sa ating dalawa. Naisip mo ba?
He has made everything beautiful in its time. Ecclesiastes 3:11. I was running late at work. It was COVID time. Everything is so strict back then. For me, it was just a simple day. Little did I know, someone noticed me that time. Imagine if I was 5 minutes early or 5 minutes late. Our world would never cross through.
Sadyang mahulog mahibang, aasa na tayo sa huli. Araw-gabi, tanging ikaw ang nasa isip, kahit laman ng panaginip.
Labi ko, salamat sa 5 taon at ngayon panghabang buhay na. Alam kong hindi niya tayo pababayaan dahil siya ang sentro ng ating pagmamahalan. Ang Panginoon ang ating magiging sandalan sa oras ng pagsubok ng ating pagdaraanan. Kasabay din nating pagtatagumpayan sa tulong ng Diyos na gumagabay sa atin.
Ikot-ikot lang, klarong mailang gawa ng iyong tingin at ngiti. Di sinasadyang mahulog mahibang, aasa na tayo sa huli.
Here you are standing in front of me. Finally, we're here. Where we always talk about. I just want to say, I am so proud of you, of everything that you have accomplished. I promise to love, to always stand beside you, no matter how hard our battles are.
Paulit-ulit na lang sinasabi, pero di ko naman pinaninindigan mo. Palaging nagtatanong ang isip, paulit-ulit ka lang.
Simula sa araw na ito, Princess ko, pinapangako ko sa iyo na mamahalin ka, iingatan ka, iintindihin ka, at papalagahan ka habang buhay. Lagi mong tatandaan na kahit nasa malayo ako, mahal na mahal kita. Hindi yan magbabago.
Ikaw ang sinisigaw, ang puso kong di magpapili. Ikaw lang at ikaw
Salamat sa pagtupad kang pangako mo na papakasalan mo ko. It's you and me, we and us. You'll have your me and I'll have my you. These are my favorite lyrics and pronouns from now on. As we enter our new life as a married couple, thank you for loving me, my lovey. I love you.
Ikot lang mula nung mailang gawa ng iyong tingin at ngiti. Di sinasadyang mahulog mahibang, aasa na tayo sa huli.